So hello guys, and now I'm back with another video. This is also easy level hacker rank problem which is also been submitted by almost 10 lakh peoples. Then the topic of this problem is diagonal difference. So I hope कि आप सभी लोगों को मैट्रिक्स के बारे में पता होगा. मैट्रिक्स इज नथिंग बट अ टू डायमेंशनल एरे जिसके अंदर रोज और कॉलम होती है. So these all are rows, these are rows and these are columns, right? Like vertically जो arrangement है that is column and the horizontal arrangement is row. So here we have two types of diagonals. One is this main diagonal, that is this array of 0, array of 1 1, array of 2 2, and one is this diagonal, that is this 3 5 and 9. This is one diagonal and one is 1 5 and 9. So this 1 5 and 9 is said to be as main diagonal and this 3 5 and 9 is said to be as सपोर्टिव डायगोनल. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ आपको इन दोनों डायगोनल्स के बीच के एलिमेंट्स के सम का डिफरेंस निकालना है. लाइक हियर दिस इज 1 5 and 9, दिस इज वन डायगोनल, द सम ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ दिस डायगोनल इज 15 एंड दिस इज सेकंड डायगोनल, दैट इज 3 5 and 9 एंड इनके सम है दैट इज 9 and 5 14 plus 3 17. So 15 minus 17 is 2 and the absolute difference, you have to find the absolute difference. So absolute difference of 15 minus 17 is minus 2 and absolute is 2. So similarly you will have to do this with this thing, that is 11 plus 5 is 16, 16 minus 12 is 4 and this is 19. So 19 minus 4 is 15. Sorry, this is 15. So this is they have elaborated it in a nicer way. So now we will code for this problem. This is also quite easy problem. That is the number of rows, that is array of 0, and column is array of 0 dot size. This will represent the number of rows and ये array of 0 dot size ये बताएगा कि number of columns पहली रो के अंदर कितने हैं. अब जितने पहली रो के अंदर जितने columns होंगे उतनी दूसरी रो के अंदर होंगे, उतनी तीसरी रो के अंदर होंगे. So this process will continue. So we will take sum 1. This will represent the sum of this will represent the sum of main diagonal. And similarly this will represent the sum 2 will represent the sum of supportive diagonal. So if you will take a condition, suppose and this is j plus plus. So if this array, if this I is equals to j, because if you will take a closer look to this problem, like in this case this is array of 0 0, this is array of 1 1, this is array of 2 2. So second row and second column, this is first row and first column, and this is 0th row and 0th column. So जब आपका I मतलब row number and column number same होगा, then this will be the condition of your main diagonal. And जब, because this is given that this is a square matrix, square matrix में जितनी row होगी उतनी column भी होंगे. तो एंड सपोर्टिव डायगोनल के लिए कंडीशन क्या होगी, जब आपका रो वैल्यू और कॉलम वैल्यू का सम मिलाकर के जब r-1 या फिर c-1 या फिर n-1, वेयर r, c and n all are denoting the number of rows or the number of columns. So like this, in this 5 you have 1 plus 1, that is also 2, this is 2 plus 0, this is also r-1, this is 0 plus 2, this is also r-1. So ये जब आपस में बराबर होंगे, जब रो और कॉलम वैल्यू बराबर होगी, then this is main diagonal, and जब रो और कॉलम वैल्यू का सम मिलाकर के r-1 के बराबर होगा, then this is the condition of supportive diagonal. So let's code for this problem. So when this I is equals to j, then we will take sum plus 1 equals to be this is ARR. So this ARR of I and j, and if I plus j is equals to r-1, then we have sum plus 2 is equals to array of ij. So then you will not have to do much, you will have to just take absolute of this sum 1 minus sum 2 and just return this value. Run this code. It's giving right answer. Now we'll submit this code. Okay, so if you like my solution, then do like and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day.